Hey, Father, what does it mean when people talk about median incomes and salaries? Wouldn't it make more sense to use the averages instead?
Not exactly. You see, Stewie, the mean and median are two different measures of central tendency, or ways to calculate a typical value for a probability distribution. The mean, or average, is the sum of all measurements in a data set divided by the number of observations. So, if we wanted to find the mean salary, we would add together all observed salaries and divide that number by the amount of observed people.
Okay, seems simple enough. What's the problem?
The problem is that incomes in the U.S. and many other parts of the world are highly skewed or uneven because there is typically a very small group of people that make a very high amount of money. For example, our household income is around $52,000 a year, and we have a modest middle-class lifestyle. Some of the highest-paid workers, such as surgeons and pilots, make over $200,000 in a year. Very few people will make millions, even over $1 billion in a year. Bill Gates even earns $10 million in a day, which is about 4 times what the average person earns in a lifetime.
But why does that mean that we shouldn't use an average?
Think of it on a smaller scale. Let's say me and 18 of my co-workers with my same salary of $52,000 are at the Drunken Clam when some big CEO who makes over $10 million comes in and orders a drink. Based on everyone at the bar right there, the mean Drunken Clam patron makes $549,400 a year.
Okay, I can see how that's misleading, especially with huge outliers. So what's a median income?
The median is the middle value in a data set. If you arranged 99 people in a line according to their income, the median income would be the income of the person in the exact middle of the line. If the number of people was even, you would take the mean of the two in the middle. In the bar example, the median income would be $52,000, which is a much more accurate representation of the typical clam-goer.
Oh, I see now. So the median is probably better when the data is heavily skewed. That's why it's used so often for things like income and salary.
Precisely. You can also exclude outliers from your data set, but that's another conversation. Like and follow for more.